Hello viewers, this is Kuya Jerry M again, and today's video is about the importance of handgun practice. There's a lot of things that involve in practicing with a handgun. The sight alignment, sight picture, proper grip, trigger reset, and so on. First thing to do, aim the handgun at the target with the rear sight line up to the front sight. Now, you will notice that looking at the front sight is a little blurry till you focus and get a clear sight picture. Now, it's time to pull the trigger slowly rearward until you break the shot. The importance of a handgun practice is to place a single shot into the target. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the basic handgun practice and shooting at target. Now, we have to line up the rear sight and the front sight. Thank you for watching. God bless.